Toby Price Dakar 2022 Profile. Toby Price is from Australia. He is in Red Bull KTM Factory Racing Team driving KTM 450 Rally Factory Replica motorcycle. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. Toby Price will be a contender for several more years on the Dakar. Twice winner of the rally, the Australian has extended his contract with the Red Bull KTM team. While he is intrigued by the idea of racing in the car category, as his first victory on four wheels at the Finke Desert Race in Australia and another participation in the Baja 1000 demonstrate, Price hasn't abandoned his first love. When he signed his new contract, the objective was clear: add 1 or 2 titles to his record. And more importantly, to forget his last unfortunate Dakar, which ended in hospital in Tabuk after a violent crash on stage 9, when he was in second place overall. It took time for the Hillston, New South Wales native, to recover from his arm and shoulder injuries. Being consistent is a sign of excellence, but for Toby Price, only victory matters. In 7 participations, the Australian has finished 5 times in the top 3. In short, each time he makes it to the end, he strides onto the podium. In 2015, this young Australian with a rugby player physique arrived at the rally like a UFO. Toby Price was a household name down under but an unknown on the global scale of the Dakar. He was known to be fast and quickly learned the subtleties of navigation without ever breaking down on his way to an impressive third-place result. The following year, with the factory KTM team, Price more than confirmed this by becoming the first Australian in any category to win the Dakar, and this, in just his second participation. His second victory in Lima in 2019 is further proof of his courage in the face of suffering, this time with a bruised wrist. Medalist of the Australian Order of Merit, he will, once again, be a contender for victory in 2022, which would see him equal Richard Sonn as a 3-time winner, 1999, 2000 and 2003, and surpass Hubert Auriol, Gaston Rahir, and Fabrizio Maioni. Toby Price said, "I am excited to have signed for another 2 years with the Red Bull KTM team. It's a real family for me and a home away from home. So, I'm looking forward to another 2 years with the guys. I hope I can repay the trust they put in me by winning a few more titles. I don't think there is a team like KTM. They truly care about their riders. We are working on developing the new bike, and it is going very well. I seem to have recovered from my injuries on the 2021 Dakar. After 3 operations, I am in much better shape. I am at 60 or 70% of my capacity, so I am not far from being ready to attack. The objective over the next 2 years is to add another Dakar title to my record. If I can add 2, it would be even better." Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. YouTube subscription link is available in the description of this video. For more related Dakar 2022 videos, see our Dakar 2022 playlist.